Hi everyone, it's your girl Bree and I'm back with a video, you guys. I know it's been a while. It's been almost a year, but I'm back and I'm better. Okay? Let's get into this video. I know I've been gone for a while. I've been working a lot and school just started and I got 4 classes online and on campus. I got a lot going on. I have a lot going on. But I'm going to try to make YouTube a priority this year. So let's get into this video. This video is about my Faux Locs that you guys see. I've been getting compliments on my Faux Locs lately, and hold on, let me turn this music down. I've been getting compliments on my Faux Locs lately, and everybody's like, "Oh, I love your Faux Locs. Who did them? They look so good." Working in retail, you're gonna get that a lot. And believe it or not, it was my first time ever trying it. I used to do the crochet method, and I thought it was cute, but I wanted thick Rihanna Bohemian locks. I wanted to look good. I wanted my locks thick and long, and I think I achieved that. Like, they're pretty long, and they're pretty thick. They're kind of like medium jumbo size. That's how I like my braids and how I like my locks. And I couldn't find any thick, long Bohemian locks that I like. I had bought this pack from Sam's Beauty, and I had did my crochet method, and it was kind of like a twist. Like, it was like a twist you could unravel instead of wrap around your hair, and I didn't like that. And I wasn't gonna spend $200 and $300 on nobody doing my Faux Locs. So I said, Bree, you can do a lot of things, Bree. Let's try these Faux Locs. And it came out good. Alright, so I'm not gonna tired of hearing me talk, so we're gonna get into this video. The pros and cons of Faux Locs. Alright, I'm gonna start off with the little specs of these Faux Locs that I have in my hair. This is model Cuban twist hair. It's the Marley hair. I got it in the color 1B. I bought 4 packs, but it's a 4-pack of 3 packs of hair. So altogether I have 12 packs of hair in my head. It was about $12 a pack. But if you're a beauty supply store, have reward points, I only paid $7, to be honest. I only paid $7 because I use my reward points. So let's go to the pros and cons. Faux Locs. I had to write them down, so excuse me, so I can make sure I got everything in. The pros of my Faux Locs: they're easy to manage, especially for college students on the go. I'm a full-time college student with a heavy load of homework, projects, group projects, and I'm a part-time retail worker. I work every weekend, so I really don't have a lot of time to keep braiding my hair or do slip back ponytails and keep doing my hair every day. If I do perm rods in my hair only stays really curly for about 2 days, and after that I gotta do it again. I don't have time for that at all. So these were great. I had these in for about 2 weeks now. The second pro is you can control the length of your Faux Locs, and you can control the thickness of your Faux Locs. When you buy crochet hair, they come in basically 2 lengths: the short length and the long length. But you don't get to specify where you want it to stop at. If you do, you have to cut it, and then you hope that you can twist it and get it to look like the other ones that you have in your hair, make them look good. I guess another pro is that the hair is not really that expensive. If you buy the 1 pack of hair, it's probably like $6. I bought the 3-pack for about $11. To me, that's not that much, but as a college student, I understand that could be pricey because sometimes, you know, your funds might be low. I typically have more cons than I have pros. I mean, this hairstyle is cute. I give it that. But the cons are, sis, it's tight. My first 2 days of wearing this hair, I had to take Tylenol. I had to keep my hair in certain hairstyles. I had to lay a certain way. These suckers were just too tight because you have to wrap the Marley hair around your hair at the base twice or 3 times. And then you have to think about how that grips your edges. That's my next thing. I have my edges out. They're not really laid right now, but I had them out, but it's still pulled at my root of my hair, and I'm about to take them out tomorrow because I noticed that my white follicles are showing in certain parts. I'm just like, no, my hair is coming out, and I don't have time for that. The second con for me was The ends of my faux locs, like I have to wrap them a certain way, and I'm just, like I said, it's my first time doing them, so I didn't truly know how to secure my bottoms of my faux locs. So if you know how to secure the bottoms of your faux locs, that's great. I didn't know how to properly do it like a hairstylist would do, so it took me some time. And I know it's like the second, third day, I was like, oh, my ends are unraveling, so I have to take time to twist them again, burn the end. I did burn the ends. The third con for me was that my hair sticks to each other, and they get really, really frizzy. Like, they're frizzy. If you can see that, like, there's frizz, there's frizz, there's frizz. Now, people say that they like their locks to look natural. That's great. Fine for you. I like my locks to look natural too, but when it's like they look frizzy, like, don't mind my string, I'm gonna take this out tomorrow. But it's like really, really frizzy. I feel like it's cute and it gets you the authentic look. But then again, it's like I don't like them sticking together. They stick together, I guess, because I burn the ends. And I don't like that. Like, I part it and try to get them to unstick to each other. Alright, so let's get to the tips of the video. My tip for you guys is to start on an old base. I had box braids in before I did these faux locs, and I just cut the box braids in and wrapped the hair around it. So I didn't really have to sit here and braid my hair over again and wrap the Marley hair around. It took me 3 hours to do what I did, so just imagine how long it would have took if I had to start on a fresh base and braid my hair and do the wrapping method at the same time. Well, it took me probably about 6 hours, 7 hours to the most probably. I also feel like starting on an old base is less tight on your hair, it's less strenuous. It causes tension because you have to wrap the hair around the braid and around your root, but I feel like it would have been worse if I started off on fresh braids. The second tip is take your time. As a beginner, I know we want to do it real quick, get it out the way, but as a beginner, we gotta make sure that we're wrapping their hair right. Make sure no braids aren't poking through the Molly hair. We gotta make sure it looks good and decent. Like you just stepped out the salon and do it. If it don't look like that, just like it looks really, really good. So take your time. It's okay to take a little bit longer when you first do things, because once you master it, it's gonna take you a short amount of time. Third tip, make sure you are wrapping the Molly hair around your braid and not twisting it. When you twist it, it's going to unravel more. When you wrap it and take your time and fully wrap it around the hair, it's going to look good. It's going to look like a faux loc. I remember when I first tried to do faux locs. It was about a year ago. I got Collecalon braiding hair, and I tried to wrap it. I said, look, I'm doing it. No. It looked like I was doing singlish twists on my hair, and it didn't look good, and it kept unraveling. I was getting frustrated, and I was saying, I watched all these YouTube videos. What am I doing wrong? I tried to do everything right, and it didn't turn out right, but I noticed that Collecalon hair, some people can wrap their faux locs with Collecalon hair. Now, I can't yet. I'm not going to say can't. I can't yet. But with the Molly hair, it was easy for me to wrap it. It's wrapped. You can see it's wrapped and not twisted around. And my last tip is to make your faux locs represent who you are. Make it funky. Make it fresh. Make pops of colors if you want to. I have red braiding cord on my faux locs. I wanted the white ones, but I couldn't find my white braiding cord, so I did red. Boom. Feisty. Pop of color. Make it a little, look a little fresh, Make it represent who you are as a person. Your personality. I know people do faux locs with yarn. If you like doing your faux locs with yarn, wrap it with some colorful yarn. If you're really out there and wild and different like me. I like different things. I don't like to look like everybody else. I don't like to look basic. I like to look like my personality, which is weird, wild, funky. I'm like, it's me. So I had to do a little something. I didn't put the gold pieces in my faux locs this time because I couldn't find them. Let's be real. I couldn't find them. And I was going to go back to the hair store just to buy some. So I was like, look, I'm going to put the braided cord in it and we're going to make it work. And honestly, I've been getting tons of compliments. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. I don't want to make this really long and drawn out. I just want to say, just from my perspective of doing my faux locs for the first time as a beginner, at that, I want to tell you what worked for me. What might work for you guys if you don't really know how to do your faux locs yet and you want to try it. This worked for me. Y'all have a great day. I might be making another video in about a week. We're gonna see. But I love you guys. Please hit the subscribe button and come back and watch my videos. Bye.